Hello. Today you're going to learn a bit about countable and uncountable nouns. But first, what is a noun? A noun is a word. It is used to identify a person, a place, or a thing, anything. For example, this is an umbrella. Umbrella is the name we have for this object. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. And countable nouns means that these words can be counted in the sense that we can say an apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, etc. They have singular form, apple, and plural form, apples. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. We don't say an air, 2 airs, 3 waters. They only have one form, usually the singular form. And examples of uncountable nouns are air, water, bread, money. Here it is important to remember that Spanish and English are very different languages when it comes to countable or uncountable nouns. For example, the word bread, pan, in Spanish is a countable noun. I can say 3 panes, 5 panes, un pan, but in English the word bread works as an uncountable noun. Check how to use countable and uncountable nouns in a sentence. How much milk is there in the fridge? Milk is uncountable. I'm drinking a cup of tea. Cup is uncountable. Have we got any bread? The word bread is uncountable. How many books do we need? The word books is countable. There is no money in my wallet. Money is an uncountable noun. Other examples of countable nouns are here. And now I am emphasizing on the words that appear next to countable nouns. We can use an because it means one. I want an apple. We can use 5 because it's the number plus the plural form of apple. I bought 5 apples, sorry. We can use many because it's countable and the plural verb are the plural form of the verb. How many apples are there? They eat a lot of apples. We use a lot of in affirmative sentences when it means a high number. Here are, plural form of the verb, some apples. Do you have any apples? There are not, negative. There are not any apples. Any is commonly used in questions and in negatives, though in Spanish, it doesn't really have a specific meaning here. Some of these words can appear with uncountable nouns, but some are different. Look at this uncountable noun, water. I want water, water. Use it just like that, the word. No a and to, no. How much water is there? To ask about the quantity, we use much, not many, much. And we always use singular form of the verb with uncountable nouns, is. They drink a lot of water. A lot of water is possible. I didn't drink any water today. I didn't, negative, any water. I emphasize no water at all, nothing. With not, you use any. Here's singular form of the verb, some water. And in questions, we also use any with uncountable nouns. Is there any water? There are some issues you have to be careful about. And for example, I want a water, wrong. I want some water is right. I have much homework. Homework is uncountable. So you don't say a homework or the plural homeworks. You can say, I have a lot of homework. People is the plural form of the singular noun person. One person, two people, three people. So people is plural for a countable noun. People is nice is wrong. People are nice, that is correct. When we ask a question like this with would you like, it's not a real question. It's an offer. I want to give you some coffee. So a question like that, an offer, is with, it's not without any, it's not with any. You will use some. Would you like any coffee? That's wrong. Would you like some coffee? Because I am offering coffee. One more issue here, which is important, is there are some nouns that have only one form. And in the case of jeans, the only form is plural form. So if you want to say, me compré unos jeans, you don't say a jeans. You would basically specify a pair of jeans. Here it is. I bought a pair of jeans. So you mean unos jeans, solo un par. I bought a pair of jeans, but you never say a jeans. Jeans is a special noun that we could consider in this group of countable, uncountable nouns. It would be uncountable, but it always appears in plural. Thank you very much for your attention.